to use Slack for business, best communication software for business communication, and the best communication software for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Slack.com and how you can do all of your business communications on Slack. So let's get into it. Now, Slack not only provides you solutions for communication, but they also provide you easy solutions for engineering, IT, customer service, human resources, project management, and so much more. Now, to get started with Slack, what you're just going to do is you're going to click on sign in over here at the top right, and then you can just sign in with your Google account, your Apple account, or your email. Once you have signed in, this is going to be the basic Slack dashboard. Now, on your left, you have your navigation panel. On the top right, you have your account. Now, with Slack, you can just create different workspaces. You can see once you have a workspace like this, if you click on over here, and you can click on invite people to marketing, and you can invite your teammates from anywhere in the world, or you can copy your invite link and you can send it directly to them via messaging or text message, and then they can join the Slack dashboard. Now, after that, you can create different channels, so you can just click on this section over here as well to write messages in channels, or you can just click on the channel section over here and you can click on add channel. You can click on create a new channel, and then you can add let's say I want to add newbie guide, and then I can add a description. Then I can choose to make it private or unprivate, but once a channel is made private, you cannot make it a public channel, so that is something you need to understand. After that, you're just going to click on create over here, and then you can add people to that channel. So let's say I want to add myself, so I'll just invite my other email, or if there are people that are already present in your workspace, you can add them by name over here, but I'm just going to skip for now. And then you can add different permissions to the channel. So I have newbie guide. Now I can favorite or star this channel so it's constantly present on my left navigation pane, and then I can enable notifications or start calls as well. Now after that, you can also add different integrations to your Slack application. So you can download Slack as an application and add integrations, and you can even use these integrations on the browser version of Slack, and then you can add different settings to your overall channel, and you can choose to delete a channel once it is no longer needed. You can also find all of the files over here and also the description and topics for this channel over here as well. So you can just click on delete channel, you can click on permanently delete this channel, and then all the communication present in that channel is lost. So if you want to keep the information present in a channel while you still want to archive the channel, you're going to click on archive instead of delete, and then you can archive it for everyone present and within the channel, and then later on renew it if you need any information that was present within that communication section. Now, the reason that I recommend Slack is that you can create separate workspaces for separate businesses, and you can invite guests to your workspaces. So if I click on add workspace, I can click on create a new workspace, and then I can add a separate workspace. So first off, I'm going to enter my email, and then I'm just going to click on continue. I'm going to add the code that they have sent me, so I'm just going to open up that code. Now, once I have confirmed my code, I'm going to be led onto my overall sales panel, and right now, instead of just waiting for that, I'm just going to show you guys the channels that I have already, or the workspaces that I have. I'm sorry about that. So I am going to click on this, and I'm going to click on find workspaces, and now I can browse all of the workspaces that I have. So I'm just going to log into my account, and I'm going to show you guys the different workspaces that I have on my singular email account. Now you can see over here that I have 4 different workspaces created over here on Slack within a singular email, and then I invited myself to another workspace, so I can just click on join over here. And then this is the feature that I really like about Slack, is that you can invite people into a workspace as a guest, and then you can later on give them certain permissions, and all of your business communication is going to be monitored on Slack. And then if there are any issues later on, you can easily find the messaging and the contacts that you had on Slack, and then make sure that all of your communications are saved within a safe place using Slack. So you can see this is another workspace that I created. Now I customized this workspace to be very pink. You can do that as well. So you're just going to click on over here. You're going to click on settings and administration. You can click on workspace settings over here and then change the overall appearance of your workspace as well. And then you can switch workspaces between all of your workspaces from your singular email account. You can also download the desktop and mobile application to easily manage all of your business communications. Now, after that, you also have your workflow builder on Slack. So if you open this up, you're going to find a easy navigation plane for you to communicate certain things. So if you click on over here, you can just basically run a project management software basically on their workflow manager, but that feature is only available on the premium versions of Slack. It's not available on the free version. Now after that, some of the other basic things you need to know about Slack is that once you have like a channel, you can just click on add channel and click on create new channel and all of that stuff. But within a certain channel, what you can do is you can mention people like so you can just add a certain person's name. So you can do at, and then you can choose to notify here. So if this is something important like meeting tomorrow at 10, so you can do at here so everyone is notified about this message. And then once you have messages, you also have these options like taking a look, or you have nicely done, or you have these little emoticons that indicate whether people have read your messages or not, so they can indicate with those emoticons. And then you can pin certain messages as well. So you can pin like let's say for sales info only, and then you can pin certain messages like this. So I can just take this message, click on these three dots, and I can click on pin to channel. So this is pinned, and whenever anyone opens this channel, they will be reminded that this is only for sales information and not to add any other information. Now after that, you can also add links. So you can copy text links and add links over here, and you can add hyperlinks. So this could be a text called click here, and then you can add a certain link for that. So let's say we just copy and paste, and then I can write for Slack pricing click here, and if someone clicks on here, then they're going to open up the Slack pricing page, which I just linked onto this platform. So this is how easy it is to use Slack. Now Slack is available for free, and it also has paid versions. The free version allows you access to over 10,000 of your team's messages with over 10 integrations and one-on-one voice calls and video calls. So you can't do group video calling or voice calling. But on the pro version, which starts at $667 USD per month, you also get face-to-face communication with up to 15 people at the same time, and you can have secure collaborations with guests from within other organizations and other with special permissions from within Slack. Now after that, you have the business class version, which starts at $1250 with advanced identity management, around the clock teamwork and assistance, and you also get certain unlimited integrations with 20 gigabytes of storage per team member per month. And then you have the enterprise version, which is priced according to your team's needs. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.